In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download any Do app on Android. If you want an easy way to keep track of tasks, appointments, and reminders, this guide will get the app onto your phone in just a few moments. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace on Android, and it ensures you're getting the legitimate, up-to-date version of AnyDo. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type AnyDo and pause for a moment while results load. In the list, look for the app titled AnyDo To-Do List and Calendar from the developer named AnyDo To-Do List and Calendar. This confirms you're selecting the correct app. Tap the app to open its store page. Here, you can quickly scan the description, check ratings, and read recent reviews if you want extra confidence you found the right one. When you're ready, press the install button. The download will begin right away. You'll see a progress indicator showing how much is left. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. Using Wi-Fi can make the download faster and help you avoid using mobile data. Once the installation finishes, the install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app and start using it immediately. You can also find any.do later in your app drawer or on your home screen, just like any other app you've installed. Now that AnyDo is on your device, here's what you can do with it. Create to-do lists for anything you need to remember, from quick errands to big projects. Set reminders so you get notified at the right time, helping you stay on schedule without keeping everything in your head. Use the built-in calendar and daily planner to map out your day, view upcoming events, and keep tasks and appointments in one place. If you collaborate with others, share tasks with family members or teammates so everyone stays aligned and updates happen in real time. And because AnyDo syncs across Android, PC, and other devices, your tasks and plans follow you wherever you go. AnyDo also integrates with popular services like Google Calendar, Outlook, Slack, WhatsApp, and more, so your reminders and events can connect with the tools you already use. That's it. Your download is complete, and you're ready to get organized with AnyDo on Android. Thanks for watching, and enjoy planning your day with confidence.